Thirsty buds? You thirsty? I'm usually working on my van barefooted, but these ankle biters have been chewing me up. Man. Just on the ankles, so today I gotta wear socks. These itch like a mother. Look what came in the mail today. My pooper. Let's pull that bad boy open. Make a deposit. It holds, I think, 3 gallons of water, so it actually flushes. And it holds quite a load from a review that I've seen. It's pretty small. So I think what I'm gonna do is build an ottoman and use it as my little chair when I'm chopping broccoli. This is where I'm at with the top shelf cupboard, little storage area. So for now I gotta put the backing on and then create a front face for the doors that will open up. Funky shapes. I put this little thing here. It's not glued down. Gorilla Glue socks. Just to keep the rattle down. So I had to cut this funky little shape out so that the piece of metal that's in the back of the van can come out. We got a little closet. So that way, before I get to installing that shelf permanently, I gotta make a window covering before I install it, because once it's installed, I can't get behind here. Gotta make a trip to the fabric store and grab some black felt to cover up that back side. Maybe the front side too. You can use the same piece on the other side of the van window. It fits just a little bit short, but it works. So. I didn't hear it at the startup, but sometimes when I start this thing, it makes a little rattle. I don't know if anybody knows what that could be. I was thinking maybe a timing chain, but if anybody has any experience with startup noise, I'll try to catch the noise in the next video.